Hello my dear students, good afternoon all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tazipsa my dear students, and today we are going to learn a new topic. Today we are going to learn what my dear students? Today we are going to learn a new topic. Okay, so and what we have done yesterday, I hope you all are understood. Okay, what we have done yesterday? Money we have done yesterday. Got my points? Understood what I am telling you my dear students? So today's topic is name is what? First is addition and subtraction of money, and then new topic is multiplying and dividing of money. Which new chapter we are going to learn here? Multiplying and dividing a number. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood my dear students. So then after we will move on further example of multiplying and dividing of money. Got my points my dear students? Understood all what I am telling you? Again and again I am telling you, today we are going to learn multiplying and dividing of money. Okay my dear students? So now further we will move on today's code, and then after I am going to start today's session. So now I am going to present today's code. So today's code is what all dear students? If you can dream it, you can do it. Okay dear all? If you can dream it, you can do it. Got my points all of you? What I am telling you, if you can dream it, you can do it. This is today's quote. Then after we will move on further. I hope you all remember what is the name of our chapter. Chapter number 11, money. Okay? Chapter number 11, money. Got my points my dear students? Chapter number 11 and its name is money my dear students. Got my points? In chapter number 12, today again we are going to learn addition and subtraction of money. Means we will going to do the revision of previous lecture. Okay? Got my points? We will going to do the what? We will going to do the revision of subtraction and addition of money. Got my points my dear students? What I am telling you? Again we will going to do the revision of subtraction of money, addition and subtraction of money. That topic we are going to learn my dear students. Got my points all of you? So now again we are going to learn that topic. Which topic my dear students? Addition and subtraction of money. Okay all dear? So you note down that topic my dear students in your book, do fast. And then after, see, this is a what? Here, for example of what? Addition of money. Okay my dear students, this is an example of addition of money my dear. See here. Okay. So Anisha had here name of one girl, and she is buy a food, means a food items. Okay, which food items? Bhel, samosa. Okay, and then we have to find the what she spent, how much rupees. Okay, how much she spent. Okay, and we have to what find how much did she get back. She had 15 rupees note. Anisha give a 50 rupees note. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to write the whole things here. Anisha, it's the name of one girl. What I am telling you, my dear students, got my points all? Anisha had 50 rupees. 50 rupees. What I am telling you, my dear students, understood? Anisha had 50 rupees. So my dear students, bhel and its price is 15.25 paisa. How much, my dear students? 15.25 paisa. Understood? What my points, my dear students? What I am telling you all, dear? 15.25 paisa. Okay, and a samosa's price is a 10 rupees, 10.25 paisa. So what we have to do? We have to do the addition here. What, my dear students? We have to do here the addition. Okay, so I am going to write here, my dear students, for you all. 15.25 for a bhel, and here is the samosa 10.25. How much, my dear students? 10.25. So what we have to do? We have to do here the only simple addition. Okay, dear all. Here what we have to do? We have to do the simple addition, my dear students. Got my points? Understood all? Then after, so my dear students, first is price of the bhel, and then after here second is the price of the samosa. Got my points, my dear students? So what we have to do here? We have to write the whole things, my dear students. Understood all? Okay, got my points, all of you? So now here we will going to write the whole things in your book with me, all my dear. Then after here we will going to do the addition. Okay, here where we will going to do addition. So 5 plus 5 is equal to how many, my dear students? 10. So 10 of 0 here, and then after 1 of 0 here, and then after, my dear students, 1 as a form of carry here. Okay, got my points? And then after 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, so I am going to put here the 5. Got my points? And then after, what to do? See, this is a new point. This is a point coming. So now as it is, I am going to put the point here. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? You have to note down this with me, all my dear, in your book. Do fast. So my dear students, we put the same point, we put the point as it is. Then after 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0, my dear students, how many? 5 plus 0 is equal to 5 as it is. Got my points? And then after, my dear students, what to do? Here we will going to the put the, here we will going to the 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, my dear all students? So answer is what? Answer is 25. Answer is 25.15 rupees. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So you note down this answer in your book, all dear. See, this is the answer, my dear students. You note down this answer of addition. Okay, so now answer is what? 24 or 25.15 paisa. Got my points? This is our answer. Understood all? Got my points? Now what to do? Now here we will going to do the addition. Okay, here we will going to do the subtraction. Addition here is done. Okay, so now how many rupees she give? She give 50 rupees to shopkeeper. Got my points? And now 25 point. Here is what, all my dear students? 25.50 paisa. Okay, 25.50 paisa, my dear students. Is the what, my dear students? Is this a shows? It shows what? All subtraction. Got my points, all of you? So now I am going to write here the answer. Okay, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, my dear students. So I am going to put here the 0. Okay, then after here 0 plus 5. So is this not possible? So 10 minus 5. We have to take the borrow there. Okay, so 5. And then here the cut one digit and put the 9 there. Okay, what we have to do? We have to cut there one digit, my dear students. We have to cut there one digit. Okay, here we have to cut this one digit as like that, my dear students, and put a 9 there. I'm going to cut there one digit and put a 9 there. Okay, 9 minus 4, my dear students. 9 minus how many? Otherwise I am taking that. Okay, 9 minus 5 is equal to how many, my dear students? 4. Is the 4. Is this a 4, all my dear students? And then here cut again, we cut 5 minus 5, cut and put a 4. 5 cut here and put a 4. Got my points? Understood? So 4 minus 2. So how many left, my dear students? 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Understood all? So answer is what, my all dear students? 24.15 paisa. How many, my dear students? 24.15 paisa. Is this our answer? Got my points, my dear students? Understood? So now you note down this whole answer, my dear students, in your book. Do fast. Answer is what? 24.15 paisa. Okay, I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So you note down the answer properly in your book all. You have to write in your fare book, my dear students. No need to draw this 15 rupees note. You have to mention there 15 rupees notes there. Okay, and I am going to I forgot to put there a borrow 10. I was told you, but forgot to putting. Okay, got my points? Understood all what I am telling you? Note down this all answer in your book all, my dear. First answer is 25.15 paisa, and second is 24.15 paisa. Okay, my dear students, do fast all, and then we will move on further, dear. So now we will move on further, my dear students. Second sum. Okay. Here the name of one boy, and his name is Sukhvinder. Okay, and he is buy a food, a dosa and milkshake. Okay, but we don't know. Okay, so we have to decide. We have to write the how much rupees of dosa. So how much rupees of dosa, my dear students? Okay, so dosa for 16 rupees, dosas for a 50.75, and then after, my dear students, milkshake is a 20.25 rupees. Got my points, my dear students? See this, note down this all answers. Sukhvinder had dosa and milkshake and he spent, we have to do the addition. Okay, and Sukhvinder gives 100 rupees. See this 100 rupees note, how much did he get back? Okay, so now we note down this answer and we will going to do the addition, my dear students all. Five 15.75, then after 20.25. Okay, dear all. Now you note down this all answer in your book, my dear all. Now you note down this all answer, my dear students, in your book all. Do fast all. So 5 plus 5. How many, my dear students? 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10 of 0. I am going to put here 10 of 0 here. And 1 is a form of carry, my dear. Okay. And then after, my dear students, 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. How many, my dear students? 7 plus 2. 8 or 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So 10 of 0 again here. 10 of 0 again here. And then after, again we put the 1. But before 1 means 0.0. Got my points? Point. And then now here 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 and 1 as it is. So I am going to put there a 1 as it is. Okay, my dear all. Then after 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, 5 plus 1. How many, my dear students? 5 plus 2. Sorry, 5 plus 2 is equal to 6 or 7. Got my points all, my dear students? So answer is what? 7. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So now we note down this answer. Answer is what all, my dear students? 71.00. Okay, and then we will move on to the subtraction. Got my points? Then we will move on. We will move on subtraction. Here we will going to move on subtraction, my dear students. Okay, so now 100 minus. Here we will going to do the Got my points, my dear students? Where we will going to do, my dear students? Here we will going to put a what? Minus. Okay, then after 71.00. So now we will do the addition here, dear all. Sorry, not addition here, what? Subtraction. Got my points? So do with me, my dear students all. And then after we will move on further, my dear all students. See, now 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Then after, what to do, all my dear students? 0 minus, so we will put here the 0. And we put the same as it is here. Okay. So now answer is what? 29. Okay. So answer is what? 29. Points, my dear students. Understood? First answer is 71.00. Okay, dear all. And then after 29 rupees. My points. Understood? I hope you all are understood. Now you note down this all answer, my dear students, in your book. Do fast all. You have to do the addition or subtraction of money as like that. What we have to do? We have to do the addition of money as like that. Okay, addition and subtraction of money. Okay, and other words, what we call other words, we have to what? We have to say what? Story problem and application in real life. Both problems we have to say. Okay, my dear all. So 71.00 and 29. So now we note down all answer, my dear students. Do fast. Then after we'll move on further. Okay, so our new topic is what? Multiplying and dividing money. Multiplying and dividing money. Got my points? Understood, my dear students? Answer is what? Multiplying and dividing money. So now we will move on that topic, all my dear. Multiplying and dividing money. Multiplying and dividing money. Okay, rights. Here is the what, my dear students? Here is the ride, all my dear students. See, merry-go-round 8 per ride means here price for one ride. Okay, merry-go-round 8 per ride, giant wheel 15 rupees per ride, and roller coaster 18 rupees per ride. Okay, what I am telling you again, I am going to explain you, my dear students, for you. Here is what? Multiplying and dividing money. Rides and rides. Merry-go-round 8 per ride, giant wheel 15 per ride, and roller coaster 18 per ride. Got my points? Understood, my dear students, what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, now further we will move on for the first example. Example: Arihant is the name of the boy. Arihant buy 3 tickets for the roller coaster. How much does he spend? Okay, so here is what? Multiplication. Okay, what is the price of the roller coaster? See, price of the roller coaster is what, my dear students? 18 per ride. Okay, and 18 per ride. Okay, and he wants how many tickets? He wants 3 tickets. How many, my dear students? He wants a 3 ticket. Okay, got my points, my dear students. So what to do for roller coaster? How much does he spend? So here see, 18 rupees per roller coaster. 18 divided by 3. Okay, my dear students, 18 divided by 3. Got understood all? So 3 zeros are 0. Any number divide with 0, so it's what? 0. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0. And then after point we will going to put the same place. Okay, same place. Got my point solved? Then after 3 8s are 24. 24 of 4 here and 2 as a form of carry. Got my points? And 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. So how many my dear students? 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Got my points? 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Understood my dear students? So answer is what? 54. Answer is what? 54.00. Understood all? So now you note down this all answer in your book. Do fast my dear. Okay, I hope you all are understood my dear students. Understood all? So today's your homework is what? Daily class. Today's your homework is what? Today's lecture work. Okay, wall lecture work. Got my points all my dear students? Understood all? Thank you so much all of you from watching this video. Thank you all.